Hi and welcome to TranAm Ltd. My name is Ed Miles and this is the new for 2018 BERING Goretex Moya glove. This glove is a fantastic fit, you really must try this on, it fits beautifully for a full winter glove. So let me talk to you about a few of the features. This is a full grain leather glove, so you've got all leather down the back, all leather down the palm, so you're getting a high end glove. Running down the back, you've got simple fingers with stretch panels around the bottom as you would expect from BERING to reduce fatigue on those long rides. Down the side, if I spin it around this way, you've got the sensor system in the finger, so you can use your mobile phone or your iPad or any of those items with a capacitive screen. You've also got a suede material down here to dry any water off the visor. Coming back to the fingers, running down, you've got a hard knuckle. Being BERING, it must be CE approved, so it's giving you the full protection you need. Down the back, you've got a stretch panel, again, reducing fatigue on the muscles in the hand to keep you comfortable for a longer distance ride, and again, leather all the way to the bottom. Running down this part of the glove here, you've got reflective material giving you some active safety as well. As you can see, this is a Gore-Tex glove, so it's the most breathable membrane on the market for gloves, so it's keeping your hand nice and sweat-free inside the product. Spinning it round, you've got the full leather palm. As I say, there's the 2 points for your sensor system to use your mobile. Overlays on the high wear areas, as you'd expect, and a full wrist restraint coming around your wrist. In terms of warmth, we've got 140 grams worth of insulation, but I can tell you when you're wearing this glove, you don't feel like it's got that much insulation in, but it is exceptionally warm, going to keep your hands nice and warm. It is a full winter glove. As you can see at the bottom of the palm, you've got a full pull tag on and the CE logo on there, just so you know you're getting the full protection you need. So that's the BERING Moya glove. For any more information, please see tranam.co.uk or go to our Facebook page, Bikerheadz.